YouTube family, it's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. And y'all know what it is. It's my Boxycharm Luxe unboxing for the month of March 2020. And it sucks. I'm just saying. Ooh, hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all, let me just say before we get into this unboxing, I'm trying to get some videos out for you guys like right now. I got a notification today within 24 to 72 hours. I need to have my bags packed. Don't know where I'm going yet, but wherever they need me, the emergency response, rapid response nurses are in effect. I'm a part of that. So I will probably be not uploading videos, and if I do, y'all won't get the gorgeous me with all my face beat. Y'all just gonna get the toe down me with the raggedy everything. It's gonna just be me, y'all. If I ever even get to upload a video. But I know if I'm not here and I'm not posting videos, I'm gonna be getting, girl, where you at, what you doing, I'm praying for you, I hope you're okay. And let me say that first, don't y'all pray for me, pray for my patients. That's the biggest thing. I want everybody to be okay. I want to be able to help as many people as I can. I'm going to be all right. I'm prayed up. And whatever for me, it's the Lord's will. Okay, now I got that out the way. Let's jump into these. I gotta keep these videos coming so y'all won't get anxious, and you know, it's going to be all right. We're going to be all right, y'all. Let's get into this sorry box because, y'all, it's bad. It is bad. Ooh, y'all didn't see. Scratch that. Scratch that. On the box, as I was saying, it says BOXYLUX number 31. That's what's on the box. Now, when I open the box, it says the version I have here is 9. There's a heart here with a 9 on it. That's what it says now. And this box is trash. It's just trash. This is the worst Boxycharm box I have ever received. I don't know what's going on, but it's bad. Okay, the very first thing, as you guys see on top, is this Boxycharm palette. That's what I got. This is a cute palette. It looks cute. I haven't heard any, really bad things about it. You get a mirror. You get, let me hold it up so you guys can get a look at the shades. That's what the shades look like. The lighting is not letting you guys really get a decent view of the shades because the lights are kind of washing them out. But they look like some really cute shades. I don't know how they're going to work or act, or we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I'm not upset about that. I really honestly wanted this palette. I didn't want the Tarte palette because I already have it. So I'm not mad about this palette. I'll tell you that. And it says the value of this palette is $39. Okay? It's a Boxycharm palette. I don't know about $39. Boxycharm is not actually a makeup company, so I think that's a little expensive in my opinion. And the next thing I'm pulling out of here is this NARS matte lipstick. Let me find it on here. It says NARS Lip Pigment, Potency and Precise, the Ultimate Power Couple. That's what it says. I know it's a matte lippy because I have this lippy. Actually, I have 2 of these. I purchased them when they came out, and I already know how bad they are. Yeah, I did say bad. They're bad. These are the 2 that I have. This is Get It Girl and Painted Black. And I did say bad. NARS didn't do good with these. This is Painted Black, and this is Get It Girl. And ironically, Get It Girl is the shade that I received. They are super drying. The color pigmentation, let me fix that. Let me show y'all the one that I got. That's it. The exact same one as the one I already have. And Get It Girl. Okay, that's not here or there. NARS could not have, let me put the top back on here. Boxycharm could not have known that I already purchased this. There's just no way. See, as they get dry, they get super dry. I mean dry. What will fix these, I've learned, is just one of my clear Fenty gloss bombs on top. Helps this out a lot because they dry as the Sahara Desert. I'm just saying. You know, I've been noticing. I'm not here, you know, trying to complain and fuss at Boxycharm, but a lot of the stuff we've been getting in our boxes lately is stuff that's just not selling. It's on the bottom of the duck list. Don't nobody want it, or it's on sale. That's cool, but don't charge me $50 for a box, because the $75 and out of the boxes I got, well, I won't say the prime box. Won't say the prime box, but the other, this box, I could have went to TJ Maxx and got way more, or probably some of the similar stuff. I'm just saying for that $50. I'm just saying. Okay, let's move on. I ain't gonna keep beating a dead dog. And then of course we got the Bum Bum cream. We have received these mini creams in a box. I can see them saying smash 2 of these together and you got one of the small sizes. That's fine. I like the Bum Bum in the yellow, but it's not as bad. It's not as bad. This was horrible when it first came out. I know because I bought a small one. And it had and it's not even in there anymore. It had like yellow caramel stuff shifting around in it. And it smelled like, in my opinion, it smelled like caramel popcorn. They did something. It's better. It's not good. It smelled like not fakely sweetened caramel popcorn. It don't smell artificial. It smells more just like that caramel popcorn. A buttered popcorn with something sweet on top of it, and I'm still not a fan. But I didn't want this, not in my. I sound like I'm complaining about but this is horrible to me. I don't really care for this box at all. There's 2 things in here that I was kind of excited about maybe getting, and that was that palette and this Murad Hydro Dramatic eye cream, and this eye cream is $70 for the eye cream. Well, maybe I just want to like more stuff. And this is $70 now. So I guess I didn't look and see if this was on sale, but it's a deeply quenching, delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid, algae extract to seal in moisture. I can use that because up under here it be dry as the Sahara Desert. I don't know what's going on with my eyeballs. The skin under here is really thin and delicate, and it's really dry for me, you know. That's what it looks like. Don't really have a smell to it, but yeah, it's just a white cream. And Murad is really good product, so I was excited about that. So I was like, yes, they gave me this. I'm happy. I got one good thing out the box. The palette is a plus. And I did, to be honest, want to try this PMD, but I didn't want pink. That's another one of my, is these all my issues? They may be just my issues, okay? I got the pink PMD, what does it say? PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Okay, this is what it looks like. It uses 1 battery. And they did include the battery. And I'm assuming this is the little holder. Yeah. But I have my Microtide, my Clarisonic died. So, I don't know. This is something different to try. And when I saw it, I was like, yes, that's neat. You know, I'd be kind of excited to try that, you know. Not so much as excited. I don't know why. I've watched so many videos and it looks like everybody on YouTube's first thing come out of their mouth. I'm so excited. I don't want to be excited. I just want to be thrilled, curious. Y'all gonna know when I'm excited. It's gonna be blatantly obvious. Let's see how I get this thing to work. I'm gonna try it, and it's small, and it's something that I can take with me since I am about to be traveling. I don't know. I can't get this thing to come on. I don't know, y'all. It just feels cheap. I don't know. It says it's $99, but it feels like, I don't know. It feels like maybe it should be, you might pay $20 for it. It's got pretty good vibrations going on here. I just don't, it's got a light too. Y'all probably won't be able to see that light, but you see it there? Maybe it's just me being bitter and not happy about this box. It does have 3 settings. Yeah, fast, super fast, vibrate, and then pulsating, 4 settings, and then off. Ooh, ooh. This might be a little satisfying for a few lonely women. This kind of, it vibrates. Okay, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But it's silicone bristles, waterproof, and ergonomical. What did I see? Ergonomics design. Easy AA double battery. I don't know. This might be something that made me feel a little bit better about this box, but I'm just not over the moon about it, you know? But I will be happy to try it because I have been focusing a lot more on my skincare lately. The next thing, now this is where it goes all downhill for me. All downhill. Y'all know we do those, what is it called? We do those questionnaires that, you know, what you want, what you never want. Well, this is one of the things I said I never want. I don't want no fingernail polish. I have too much fingernail polish. I just don't. I'm not in a $50 box. I didn't expect to get polished, but I did. It says this is Deborah Lippmann's Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling Nail Polish. Okay, it looks like it's a red and a pink. I'm just not over the moon. I'm sorry. There I am being nasty negative, but it is what it is. This is what they look like outside the tiny box. It is what it is. And it says these polishes. Oh, y'all know that PMD. This little thing here was, how much was this? Did I say $99? This thing here, price was $99. Okay, I'm just saying. That's what the box says. That's what the packaging says. And this fingernail polish here says it was $40. Who the heck is Deborah Lippmann? Am I missing something? These are half-size polishes. They're not gel polishes. They're just regular little bitty polishes. And it says they were $40. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, guys. The next thing, this is, I mean, there's no more excitement besides the 2 things I got in my hand. The last 2 things I got, yes, are pencils. I got this Appeal Gel Pencil. Was it last month's box or was that January's box? And it says this Appeal Pencil is a cosmetic gel. Extremely long wear, waterproof, formula glides on lips or eyes. I don't know what, that's what it looks like right there. It's a soft gel pencil. I chose this because I didn't want the palette and I didn't think they would send me another set of pencil. Let me tell you how much that Appeal pencil is. It says it's $21. And this last thing here is the Appeal, Large Paramount, Sol de Janeiro, wait a minute, Murad, Sol de Janeiro, Boxycharm, PMD, Large Paramount, Elizabeth Mott, Smooth Shadow Eyeshadow Duo Pencils. With the eyeliner pencil, they call you Lady Smooth wearing this super creamy and slightly shimmery cream eyeliner. This little set was $40. Did I see that wrong? The Deborah Lippmann nail polish was $19. I'm sorry, y'all. I was totally wrong. It was $19. Let me scratch that and take it back. This Elizabeth Matte Shadow, these 2 pencils were $40. These are eyeliner, eyeshadow, smooth shadow. I don't know. What did I just say? Smooth wearing the super creamy and slightly shimmery creamy eyeliner. They're eyeliners. The gel eye pencil glides easy and feels like a satin and goes from day to night instant. So basically, I got three eyeliner pencils. That's what I got. That's one black one. They are creamy and smooth. And this one is in pearl. This one is in raven, and this one is in pearl. And raven looks like a glitter. What the heck am I going to do with a glitter pencil? That's the pencil, and that's the raven, and that's the pearl.
Why would you send me 3 eyeliners?
I don't understand. I'm confused. I don't get it. But yeah, that's where my 50 bucks went this month. Let me know what you guys got. Were y'all boxes any better, or did they suck as bad as mine? This month was just not good for me. I guess I could say this Murad, if I would have paid $70 for this eye cream, which I'm sure I never would, that would be a portion of my $50. But other than this cream, maybe this little thing here to try out. It looks nice, the idea of it, but the feeling is just cheapy. I don't know. But yeah. But this, I just will never understand. I'm not going to keep complaining about it. But I did want to bring this video and let you guys see it and start up some conversation other than what's going on in the world with the coronavirus. It's a lot of other stuff going on that we're not paying attention to, that's being overlooked because we're being overloaded with this. And it's in the Bible. The Bible said all this was yet to come. So just try and stay prayed up. If you don't pray, learn to pray. Or find something against the wall to pray. But find some kind of peace and solitude in this chaos that's going on. It's gonna be all right. It's not, you're not gonna go nowhere till it's your time to go. That's all it is, and that's it, you know. So with that being said, everybody stay blessed. I hope y'all having a wonderful, awesome Saturday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Again, I'm gonna try to get some videos up, guys. You might see me in the same things a couple times in a row because I want to have some videos that are in decent, you know, that looks pretty decent before I go. All right, guys, I will talk to you later, and y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.